Right now we're on the verge of a revolution, robots with general intelligence. Imagine machines that can adapt, learn, and tackle diverse tasks, bringing us closer to true artificial general intelligence, AGI. Meet Physical Intelligence, a San Francisco-based startup that's catching major attention, including from Jeff Bezos and OpenAI. With $400 million in funding and a $2 billion valuation, they're changing the game. Physical Intelligence is pioneering generalist robots with an AI model called Pi Zero. Unlike single-task robots, Pi Zero-powered robots are adaptable. They envision robots folding laundry, packing eggs, or even clearing a messy table. All tasks that require intelligence, precision, and adaptability that were once out of reach. Most robots today are specialized. We have robotic vacuums, assembly line arms, and industrial robots, but they're limited to specific tasks in controlled settings. Physical Intelligence flips this script. Instead of new robot hardware, they're building a robot brain capable of managing a wide range of activities. What makes Pi Zero different? It combines vision, language, and motor commands into one system, so it doesn't just take instructions, it perceives and acts on them. Trained on 10,000 hours of data from various robotic setups, Pi Zero can adapt its movements, making it precise and fluid, similar to a human. They call their method flow matching, which makes Pi Zero's movements look smooth and natural. This is critical when handling delicate items like folding clothes, packing groceries, or even grinding coffee beans. This kind of versatility is a game changer. Developing this wasn't easy. Experts like Google's Carol Houseman and Stanford's Sergey Levine brought together vast training data to make Pi Zero versatile enough to learn new tasks quickly, without extensive reprogramming. Pi Zero can operate single-arm, dual-arm, and even mobile robots, performing various tasks across settings. Imagine coming home to a robot that's vacuumed, folded the laundry, and even prepped dinner. This is the future Physical Intelligence envisions, and they've already demonstrated robots doing these tasks in real time. Pi Zero's adaptability is similar to how language models like ChatGPT get pre-trained, but instead of text, Pi Zero learns from robotic actions. Training Pi Zero involved creating a unique database as there isn't a large, existing dataset of robot actions. Using vision language models and techniques from AI image generation, Pi Zero learns faster with less data, edging us toward a future where robots could handle any task we need. Pi Zero's potential extends beyond homes too. In industrial settings, robots could adapt to different product shapes and even assist in tasks requiring both precision and dexterity. Imagine robots helping seniors or assisting people with disabilities by handling daily chores that require delicate movements. Yet, as exciting as this future is, it raises big questions. What happens to jobs as robots take on more tasks? And how do we ensure data privacy and affordability? With a steep development cost, making this tech accessible will be a challenge. Elon Musk, for instance, envisions a general-purpose robot by 2040 for $20,000 to $25,000. Tech giants like Amazon, Google, and Nvidia are also racing into AI and robotics. Rapid advancements are inevitable. Physical Intelligence has shown Pi Zero in action, folding clothes, packing groceries, even handling eggs gently. This isn't just pre-programmed. Pi Zero interprets, adjusts, and executes in real time. Of course, it's still evolving. There are occasional hiccups like trying to overfill an egg carton or tipping over a box, but Pi Zero is learning, adapting, and improving, and it's one of the first steps toward a universal robot brain. With Pi Zero, Physical Intelligence is creating a foundation model for physical actions, a flexible AI that could transform industries and everyday life alike. So if you're excited about the future of robotics, stay tuned. Physical Intelligence and Pi Zero are paving the way for a new era where machines aren't just task-specific, they're adaptable, learning companions in our world. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more on the latest in AI and tech, and I'll see you in the next one.